Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw the TAUNTAUN from Star Wars. So we're going to begin with the eye, so starting right here, I'm just going to make a little circle shape like this. Then I'm going to start right here and draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve around and then down like this. Then you want to leave a little space and draw a line that just kind of goes down and then it's going to curve around for the nose. And then you want to put two little kind of bumps in here like this for the nostrils. Then right here I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then it's just going to go around and then kind of curve down like this for the head. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then it's going to curve up, and then down again. And then it's just going to kind of curve up to here. And then right here, I'm going to add a little curved line. Then I'm going to add a little line across for the mouth. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line that curves down. Put a couple little zigzag lines on it, and then curve it back here for the chin. Now right here, for the ear, you want to draw a line that curves up, comes to a point, and then curves down. And then you want to do the same thing over here on this side. Now, they have a big horn that kind of curves around here. So I'm going to start here, draw a line that's just going to curve down. And it's going to come up to here. And then it's just going to curve back around like this. And then you want to add a little line right in here. Then right here by the nose, I'm going to make another line that goes out and then comes back down for the other side of the horn. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves out and then comes in for the neck. And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to add a couple little kind of curved pointy lines to make it look furry. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then it's just going to come right up here for a tail. And then for the arms, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve around like this. And then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then back like this for a little claw. And then I'm just going to make some little kind of furry zigzag lines that kind of go out to make it look like it's skinny here and then big up here. Then I'm just going to draw some little lines to connect it. I'm going to put a few more pointy lines to make it look like it's got a furry belly. And then for the back leg, you just want to draw a line that kind of curves down and then it goes down at an angle. Draw a big line that kind of curves out and comes back. And then another one like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that kind of curves back, goes in, and then comes around here for a back leg. Then I like to add a couple little curved lines on here for the toes. Right here, you want to make a line that's just going to kind of curve around, then come to a point for the tail. Then right here, I'm just going to draw another line that goes down, comes right here to this foot, and then make another toe. Right here, I'm going to add a little line that kind of curves down right to here for the other hand. And then I'm just going to add a couple little kind of extra lines in here just to make it look a little bit furrier. Up here you want to add a little circle and then just kind of color most of this in for the eye. I'm going to add a little curved line up here for an eyebrow. And then a couple little extra lines around here for the nostrils. And then on the horns here, I'm going to add some quick little skinny lines just to kind of show some details on the horn. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Tauntaun from Star Wars. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.